your head on my shoulder. Hold me.
Welcome to my channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Bree on TV, where I'm your host, Bree. We are back with the content. So this will be an unboxing slash review. So right now in Atlanta, it is cold. Like I have majority of the UGG boots that are my type of UGG. Like I already own them, and the ones that I own have not been purchased through the actual UGG site because UGG has discontinued the Sheepskin, the Fluff Momma, and those are my favorite type of UGG boots. So when I seen this particular UGG boot with fur, and I seen the price, and I've never seen anybody promote it on YouTube, unbox it, review it, wear it. The name of these boots that I'm about to unbox are called the Classic Posh Mini Fur Boots. In the UK, they're a size 6. In European size, they're a size 39. And then in US size, they're a size 8. So as you all know, sometimes if you wear a size 8 in women, you can then get the cheaper version in kids in the size 6. But no. These Posh Mama Mini Fur Boots, whatever, they was not playing that. They was like, you gonna pay full price, and that's just that on that. And I was like, okay, relax. It comes with the UGG tissue paper, which I just happen to love. It's always the small details. Basically, the information about where UGG was founded. If you ever wanted to maintenance your boots, clean them and so forth, that is what this is for. This is how the boot looks right out of the box with the tissue paper still on it. So I'm going to save all of this because, to be honest, I do not even know 100% if like I'm going to like these boots, if like this is my taste of UGG. Like I really don't know, only because nobody has these. All right, so first things first. Mama needs, like, she needs some care to her, because I know they just had you know, just roughed up. They just had my poor baby roughed up in this. I mean, this is something that I should have expected, so I'm not going to get mad. But as you can see, as soon as I start fluffing, it's going to shed. It's going to shed. So I'm going to have to, like, baby girl. Baby girl, what's tea? What is tea? I didn't do nothing to you. So I'm just gonna fluff her out, you know, get all the dead fur off of her. Y'all may hear the fan running. I got Summer Walker new album playing in the background. I got my pineapples. I got my water. Like, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm gonna still give y'all this unboxing content, but I just need to get me together in the process, okay? Okay, let's get into the details because I know y'all like, Brie, I ain't never seen this shoe a day in my life. How do I even know that these are really Uggs? Don't play with me, play with your mama. So the name of these boots is called the Classic Posh Mini Fur. They are available for online purchases only. They are not available for in-store purchase. You've never seen them before, so in my opinion, they're exclusive. And I do just want to deem myself as the first person on YouTube to do an unboxing / review on the Classic Posh Mini Fur boots. Some of y'all may not care, but for the ones who have tuned into this video, I think you have. Like, I think you do care. As I mentioned in my prior UGG boots unboxings, UGG does allow you to gain points. And with it being wintertime, some people may want to purchase Uggs for loved ones, for the holidays, for gifts. And that's where I feel like you should take advantage of signing up. I actually have two $20 coupon codes. If you are subscribed to my channel, if you have watched this video to the end, comment below if you are interested in receiving one of the two $20 off coupon codes. And I'll just give them to you for free. But as I said, you have to be subscribed and you have to watch this video to the end. She said they have a low inventory on these boots. So within the size 8, she said they had less than 50 pair available. So, you know, that made me happy because I like wearing things that not a lot of people own. She said initially they were also released in 2003 and then they were re-released in 2013 and now we're in 2021. And so this is like the third re-release of the Posh boot. They may not be identically, you know, the same version, but that's just the information she gave me and I can't really verify that because, as I said, nobody has reviewed or talked about or showcased these boots online. Crafted from witch suede and long hair sheepskin for a fluffy statement. So this is sheepskin. The fur is definitely sheepskin. When you dig through the hair, that's how you're able to actually tie it. But it's not like the fur sits on top of the shoelace underneath. The outline of the hardware is gold. It's like a brass gold, you know. It has the UGG logo on the shoelace buckle. I want to say you can detach this. This portion comes all the way out. I don't know why you would want to take that out. On the back, same thing. We're gonna lift the wig and then UGG logo, shiny, brassy. The inside is like soft fur and the color is kind of like caramel. The bottom of the boot, hard, simple. I don't know if I like these boots only because it's kind of giving me Esco vibes.
Eskimo.
Like an Eskimo.
The coolest DJ in the world.
So now that I have on both of the Posh boots, I'm really trying to like just get a feel for them. My feet are very comfortable in them and I do feel like it will protect my feet from the cold. So I want to say that is a plus. Appearance wise, I still get Eskimo vibes.
Eskimo.
Like,
the coolest DJ
I live in Canada.
in the world.
In the winter cold, wind is like, you know, blowing in my face. I have on layers on top of layers. I'm, you know, I have a herd of cattle and I have a stick to like get all my cattle in order. Like, I feel like that's what these Posh boots like make me feel. Would I recommend you watching this video or any UGG lovers to purchase these boots? I really don't know. I don't know, because I'm legit the first person on this YouTube platform to unbox and review these Uggs. So I feel like that's what y'all watching this video will come in. Let me know if you like these UGG boots like on my feet, but I'm just more so thinking on the exterior part of it. When you look at me with these boots on, like, is it given what needed to be gave, or is it like, Brianna, you could do without? So I don't know if I will wear my Posh boots in public. I'm kind of going to go off of your feedback and see if I should keep these or return them.